Robotics and Drone Technology is a new course at Cary-Grove High School that you can take any of your 4 years while you are here, freshman year, sophomore, junior, or senior year. In this course, you learn about how both robots and drones are currently being used in the world and how they both might be used in the future. The focus of this course is a hands-on approach to learning. With drones, you will learn about the parts of a drone and how some of the FAA rules apply for flying drones, both commercially and recreationally. You will also spend time flying drones, using them to photograph and take video from a bird's eye view. During the robotics portion of the course, you will learn about the different parts of robotic movement. Also, you will be building different robots designed to perform specific tasks and getting them to move and maneuver through different obstacle courses. If time allows, there is also a programming component that can be incorporated into the robotics currently, and in the future I am hoping that we will get programmable drones as well.
And the way it was set up this year is the first half of the semester. We learned about drones, we learned about the history, we learned how to operate them, and then we got to fly them, which was really fun. I enjoyed that a lot. And then the second half of the semester, we started building robots. So we learned about the kits, we learned about all the parts, we learned about some other robots that are being made globally and how they can help do jobs that humans can't or that would be dangerous for a human. So it's been a lot of fun. I've learned a lot. I've loved constructing the robot and getting to play with that a little bit after it's built. And it's just been really enjoyable. There are a lot of small parts and small spots to get those small parts, honestly. And also, of course, just problem solving. If everything doesn't go your way, you gotta find another solution. I've always enjoyed robots. I think they're really cool. So when I saw the class last year, I saw some posters for it, or little printouts for it, that it was a new class. And I was like, that looks really enjoyable. And so I ended up taking it, and it has been enjoyable, and I've liked it a lot. Biggest takeaway has been the problem solving with building the robots. I think I've learned a lot. And the way to entice other students is you get to drive robots and fly drones. What's not to love?